Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can loop a Google Slides presentation. And there are three methods you can try. So basically, when you loop a document, when you finish the presentation at the last slide, it will go back to the first slide. So that's the idea for looping a presentation. Now, there are three methods. The first method, basically, we have to publish this document to the web. What you need to do is go to the file menu and then click share and click publish to web. Now you can select the duration for each slide. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to just select every second, and you want to make sure that it starts immediately as soon as the page is loaded. And also you want to restart the slideshow after the last slide, meaning that it will loop to the first slide again. Now click publish and click OK. You will get the link that when you visit, you will see that this presentation will start running, and also you will see that it is looping. It will go back to the first slide. Yep, it's the first slide, and it will keep doing that. So that is the first method. Of course, this is not the most ideal in my opinion, because you basically have to publish it to the web. But the second method is probably slightly better, but you have to adjust, or you have to apply the setting every single time you want to present the document. Let's go back and now go to slideshow. We want to run the slideshow. Now click this option. You have to hover the cursor to the bottom left of the screen, and then on the autoplay menu, click loop, and then you can select how many seconds the slide should be playing. I'm going to select every second, and then you can click play to start the loop immediately. As you can see, it starts looping and it will go back to the first slide. So that is the second method. But how about the third method? Well, the third method is a bit less automatic, in a way that we have to manually interact with the slide to go back to the first slide. And the simplest way to do that is we have to apply a hyperlink that will take us back to the first slide. So you can apply or add some hyperlinks at the very end of the slide. I'm going to add a hyperlink for this text, and I'm going to just go to the hyperlink menu right here, and then click slide 1, which is the slide number 1. And if you, let's say, run the presentation, let me go to the second and final last slide. If you click this option, it will go back to the first slide. So yeah, those are the three options you can try to loop your Google Slides presentation.